In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put sound effects in Clipchamp. If you're ready to enhance your video editing projects with sound, you're in the right place. We'll guide you step by step, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to clipchamp.com. Once you're there, if you already have an account, click on Sign in the upper right corner of the page. This will prompt you to enter your login details. Here we're going to use the option Continue with Microsoft. Select your Microsoft account from the list if you have it set up, or you'll need to log in with your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you should land on the Clipchamp homepage. Look for the option to create a new video and click on it to start a fresh project. Next, you'll want to import your media. Click on Import Media. This is where you can upload videos or any other media files you want to use in your project. Simply drag and drop your selected files onto the timeline to get started. Now let's dive into adding sound effects. Click on the Content Library and from there select Audio. This will present you with a wealth of sound options. Head over to Sound Effects and you can browse the available effects to find ones that match your project's tone. Once you've found a suitable sound effect, select it and click Add to Timeline. This will place the sound effect below your video clip on the timeline. Now here's where the fun part starts. You can begin making some adjustments to tailor the sound to fit your video perfectly. Start by exploring the Audio menu to adjust the volume of your sound effect, ensuring it's balanced with the rest of your video's audio components. Depending on your project's needs, you might want to make further refinements. The fade option will allow you to fade in and out your sound effects, providing a smooth auditory transition. This can be particularly useful for keeping the auditory experience pleasant for your viewers. Furthermore, Clipchamp offers a speed option to modify how fast or slow the sound effect plays, helping you sync sound with specific actions or moments within your video. Speed settings essentially give you creative control over the narrative flow and how the sound complements your visual content. Remember, each adjustment you make can add to the overall impact and effectiveness of your video project. Once you've fine-tuned everything to your liking, go ahead and preview the changes. It's always a good idea to listen through your edits to ensure they hit the right notes. Don't rush through this. Audio quality can significantly impact your audience's engagement. With everything in place, you've now successfully added sound effects to your Clipchamp project. Enjoy experimenting and bring your video content to life with the power of sound. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope your editing experience is a creative and rewarding one. Happy editing.